If you're trying to access CPanel on Bluehost, you're in the right place. In this quick step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to get to your CPanel dashboard from your Bluehost account in just a few clicks. This is super useful if you want to manage your websites, email accounts, files, domains, backups, or other hosting settings without wasting time searching around the dashboard. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, sign into your Bluehost account. You'll want to use the login details for the account that manages your hosting plan. Once you're signed in, you should land on the main Bluehost dashboard. From here, take a look at the left-hand navigation menu. Bluehost keeps the main tools organized there, so this is the fastest way to find what you need. Now click on Hosting in the left-hand menu. This will take you to the hosting section, where you can see the details for your website hosting plan. Depending on your Bluehost layout, you may see an overview page or a list of your hosting products. Either way, you're looking for the area that shows the hosting account details. Next, on the overview screen or the main hosting details page, locate the CPanel button. It's usually easy to spot because it's specifically labeled CPanel. Once you find it, click it. This is the button that opens your CPanel dashboard and gives you access to all the advanced hosting tools. After you click the CPanel button, Bluehost will open your CPanel dashboard in a new browser tab. The best part is that you typically won't need to enter a second password. Bluehost handles the connection for you, so the process is quick and secure. In just a moment, you should be inside CPanel and ready to manage your site. Once you're in CPanel, you can start using the tools you need, whether that's managing files, setting up email, checking domains, or installing apps. If you are trying to access CPanel for troubleshooting, website setup, or general hosting management, this is the exact path you'll use every time. If you don't see the CPanel button right away, make sure you're in the correct hosting account and not just on a general account summary page. Sometimes Bluehost updates the layout slightly, but the hosting section is still the place to start. If needed, scroll a little within the hosting overview until the CPanel option appears. And that's it. You've now learned how to access CPanel on Bluehost safely and quickly. It only takes a few steps. Sign in, click Hosting, find the CPanel button, and open your dashboard in the new tab. If this tutorial helped, make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more Bluehost and web hosting tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with the next step inside CPanel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.